Hey guys, so this is my first video. I am Noelle Rocks, but I'm on my spare because I can't log into it, sadly, at the moment. But this is my main, if you guys just wanted to know. No, I'm not hacked because, I saw my stuff and everything, but, so, anyway, I'm in TL right now. I'm just doing random stuff for my first video because I'm like trying out like the screen recorder thing. Sorry, I'm saying and stuff, but yeah, so I'm just gonna do random stuff. Okay, so everyone, I'm just gonna give a shout out to these two people. KC48247. Oh, okay. Okay, I'm going. But then she said hi world, so she gets a shout out, alright, so anyways, I'm just honestly, again, doing random stuff, cause I'm really bored cause none of my friends are on cause it's like late at night and stuff, but so I'm gonna go to Jamal now. It's like kind of lagging, but, okay. Honestly, I spent all my diamonds on stuff, so that's what I have. Well, she does have stuff for gems. But I don't necessarily want it, but it is a nice shop, so shout out to Sophie O. Oh, she's actually pretty rare. Look at that. That's pretty good. Alright. So, shout out to you. Love your store. And I'm gonna give her a little prize, cause why not? Okay, so she's not accepting, but she obviously gets a shout out, Sophie O. Also, OwlFriend6 gets a shout out. Basically, any jammer you see gets a shout out, so we're just gonna say that. And I'm giving you a shout out. Oh my gosh, I love your shop. So there's nothing I can afford, unfortunately, because I don't have any diamonds, which is pretty sad, but yeah. And I also want to give a shout out to all my friends right here, but I'm just going to do that later, so. Oh yeah, last night. Okay, so last night, the Shop King was on when I was on. Like, Shop King was on when I was on. So, I actually because it was on my main, I actually got to have a conversation with the shop king last night, and it was so good, and he noticed me, so. And he almost accepted my trade, but he didn't, so. But it was just really exciting. So, anyways, I want to give a shout out to Dear Fat, who is one of my good friends. Animal Amos, who's one of my good friends. Lily Pet Jammer, who's one of my good friends. Helping Hearts, who is actually one of my good friends. She actually has a YouTube channel. So this is her. She has 195 subscribers. You should definitely go and subscribe to her. I definitely recommend it. So yeah. So go subscribe to her. We have Molly. We have Dove. We have Little Potato. And we have Winter. And I have, like, obviously more on my main, but, I can't get on my main right now, of course, so, yeah. And, on Animal Jam, I go by Sierra, so, you can call me Sierra if you ever see me. Huge School My Den. Okay, so, I'm going to cause a lot of drama, obviously. Wow, this is a good school. You know why I like this school? I feel like this school is actually clean, so I'm just gonna jack her. I love this school. It's so clean and nice. Alright, I have to, like, get this done, but anyways. So, I'm really excited. So anyways, I am actually going to be posting videos a lot because this is actually kind of easy now that I've figured it out. So I can't post on Tuesdays and Thursdays though, so yeah. But Grace gets a shout out. And also, of course, wow, okay. We can't forget Bunny Girl Holly because of her awesome school. So, we can't forget her. Thank you. Yeah, she's really nice. So, yeah. So anyways, bye guys. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe to me because when I get to 50 followers, I'll be giving away a long wrist. So, yeah. Bye guys. Peace out.